You probably already know that Google's Nano Banana has created a huge buzz as soon as it launched, and we're going to use it to make thumbnails. After watching this video, you'll be able to create professional thumbnails in just a few seconds. You can even turn other thumbnails into your own. I'll also explain what Google's Nano Banana can actually do, plus some problems it has, and their solutions, which I'll show you in this video. So, to make a thumbnail, the first thing you need is a unique idea, but don't overthink it. Just search your video's topic on YouTube. Pick a thumbnail you like or one that has a lot of views. Copy its link, then search on Google for YouTube thumbnail download. Before we move on, make sure to subscribe if you want to discover more ways to save time and grow your YouTube channel with AI. Click the first site, paste the link, and download the thumbnail. Now, simply edit that thumbnail and turn it into your own. Even big creators do this. Look at this example. This Tube Sensei thumbnail is just a copy of another, so that's exactly what you need to do. Next, to edit the thumbnail, download Google Gemini. Open it, click on the banana option, select the thumbnail from your gallery, and tell it, replace the character in this image with my character. Then it will ask for your photo, so upload it from your gallery. Now you'll see your character in the thumbnail. You can even tell it, change the facial expression, and you'll see how amazing the result looks. After that, I told it to replace the TikTok people with Instagram people, and you can see how professionally it made the swap. You can change anything like this and create your own thumbnails. And now, come on, at least give this video a like and subscribe. I'm giving you all this free information. Enjoy, and if you face any problems, the comments are open. See you in the next video.